Something I've always admired from modern day websites is their smooth scroll capabilities. And for a long time, I was frustrated that I was unable to find any decent plugins for Divi, which is why I've created Divi Smooth Scroll, which allows users to enable the same functionality found on custom coded websites. First, let me show you the difference. Here's the standard Divi page with no smooth scroll capabilities applied. Notice how it feels very rigid and choppy. Now watch what happens when we enable Divi Smooth Scroll. You see the page kind of glides almost smoothly, just like you would expect from a modern day SaaS or fintech website. To install the plugin, what you want to do is head over to your dashboard, and you're going to go to plugins, install plugins, and you're just going to add a new one. And from there, just click on upload and drag and drop the zip folder that you downloaded from the marketplace and click on install now. From there, you can just activate the plugin, and then we're going to head over to settings, smooth scroll. Just going to make sure it's enabled, and you're just going to click on save settings. From there, you can also adjust the sliders as you see fit. However, I like to keep them as the default. So I'm just going to click on save. And I'm going to navigate back to my page, go to quick refresh. And you can almost instantly see the difference.